of fridges sold by Chuck Norris come with a lifetime warranty, because nobody dares return them. Let's see what happens when the legend hits the sales floor. Picture this. Chuck Norris walks into an appliance store. He points at a fridge and says, "Buy this or it'll freeze you instead." Suddenly every customer wants one, even if they don't need a fridge. Chuck doesn't bother with energy ratings or ice makers. He just stares at the fridge, and it grows an extra shelf out of fear. One look from Chuck and leftovers stay fresh for a month, because they're too scared to go bad. So next time you see a refrigerator for sale, remember, if Chuck Norris is selling it, you'd better buy it before it buys you. Stay cool out there, folks.